Hello all, welcome back. Today's topic is we'll see control statements and loops in Java. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. By that you will get the notification. I hope you are liking my videos. If you like it, please share it. Um, what my suggestion is, generally people when they are learning Java, first 2-3 days they will learn very rigorously. After that they will leave it. To learn Java, what we have to do is we have to keep on practicing every day, otherwise we will forget. So first at least 20 days if you practice every day, then you will be able to learn Java easily. This is my sincere suggestion. Please try to write programs. Until unless you don't write the programs, you will not be enjoying Java. Whenever you see the output, right, you will feel like, okay, writing more and more programs. Okay, next today, as I told you, we are going to see control statements, so which are very important because without control statements, there won't be any programs. So what I will do is today I'm going to create a folder, control hyphen statements. Okay, inside this, so generally any project will have a source code and then it will have a folder called classes. So inside my source code I will be writing the source code. So what I will do is I'll open a fresh notepad. Here I will write a class. So it is better you save this as a .java file, you will get some better. So what I will do, control statements, I will put my class name, control statements dot java. J is small. So if you put J is capital, then our compiler cannot recognize this. So you go and see there. Sorry, I placed it in wrong place. So I am going to do a save as. So I have kept in data types. So here I am going to put it. So make sure that so in our folder which we have created, it is there. So now it is there, right? The same name I have to keep it for my class. So class C, if you observe this, now it became blue color. Some color codings it will give if you have a .java file. Notepad++ will give you that. So by that you can identify. So this is my class name, class control statements. So open the flower bracket and then close the flower bracket. This is my basic class. So what is the next? What is the default method? Default execution method in Java. So which is main method. What is the syntax of it? Public static void main string args array, open the curly braces and close it. So if for you to remember easily, you just remember a short form PSVM, public static void VM, PSVM. Okay. So now what I will do, first we will see if condition. So I have int I is equals to 10. So I wanted to, otherwise let's place age equals to 10. So what I need to print is, if age equals to 10, I will print as kid. So that is my thing which I wanted to write the program. So if is a keyword in Java. So this is the if syntax. So inside the brackets, we have to give the expression. So expression is double equals to 10. Then this will match our condition. So here I am going to write system dot out dot print ln. So age is 10, we are considering as kid. This is the simple statement which I am writing now. So this I'm going to save it as because I have already saved as a .java file. So I just need to save it. So now what I will do, so I am going to, what is the next step in Java? So there are mainly two steps, right? So first step what I will be doing is first compile this Java C and then control statements.java. So if you don't have any errors, then it will compile and the output of this is a .class file which is a bytecode. So which we cannot understand, only Java virtual machine or Java runtime environment will understand. So what is Java runtime environment? Java is the Java command is there, right? That is Java virtual machine. For this we are giving the class which is generated. So now, so the output is coming as age is 10, we are considering as kid. So next is what we want. If not, if age is not 10, then there is something called else in Java. So if age is 10, then this statement. So this time what I will do, I will put age is 11. So this condition will not match now. Age is not 10, then this will not go inside this. So what I will do, and this last time we have seen equals operator. Now what I will do, if age is less than 10, then it is kid, else we will print as grown up. So this is if else. If first it will check if does not match directly, it will go into else, whatever is there in the else statement, it will execute. So this is the if and else. So now I saved it. So I will just remove this .class file. Even if you don't remove, also fine. So that's because now we have changed the program. Again, what we need to do, we need to compile it again. So I have compiled, it generated a .class file. What is the next statement? Java. So don't give the .class. So now also it is saying age is, so I need to change this statement. Okay, this is how it is. So age is greater than 10. Okay, this is if and else. Let's say I wanted to have one more condition. Age is less than 10 kid, then 11 to 19, 11 to 19 teenage, greater than 19 it is a grown up. So what is there in Java is else if it is similar like if, and then this is how the if age is greater than 10 and this is AND operator, age is less than 20, then what I will print is age is, I'll just copy this and paste, age is greater than 10 and this is a string just to print it. So condition is this, age is greater than 10 and age is less than 20, then we are considering as teenage. Okay, so this is if, else, if and else. So what I will explain how it works is, first it will check what is age is 11. This condition it will not match. Then it will check. So age is greater than 10, which 11 is greater than 10, and age is 11, 11 is less than 20. So this condition it will match, then it will go here. So this it will print. So now let us go and compile the Java program again. So compiled it and then run it. So now it is showing age is greater than 10 and age is less than 20 we are considering as teenage. So these are if, and else. So this is if, and else. So we have seen integer. Now let's say I wanted to have arrays. In arrays, so in Java there is a concept called arrays. So what is arrays? If you wanted to have a group of elements of the same data types, then we can declare that group as a array. For example, int marks. Int marks is an array. So here I will declare. This is one way of declaring marks. So let's say I have mathematics 75 marks and then physics 80 and then maths 95. Like this we can declare. This is one way of declaring arrays. There are different ways of declaring arrays. This is one of the way. So now this array I wanted to print it. How can I print an array? So there is a different control statement for that, which is a for loop. So this is the for loop syntax. So we have to declare an element, a variable int I is equals to 0, I less than marks dot length. So the length, it should be less than length, and then I plus plus. So what are we doing? Marks is having 3 element. It should be less than that. So I'm going to increase I every time. So what is happening here? So I will print every time marks. So how to print marks? How to get an element of an array? This is how we get an element of array. So this, when you do this, what it does is internally marks of index 0 is equals to 75. So it will treat like this, comma, marks index 1 80, comma, marks index 2 95. This is how it considers. So what are we doing here? We are picking every time. So when I is 0, so marks of 0 we are giving marks of 0. So this it will pick. So which is 75. So when I is 1, then this it will pick this one, which will be 80. When I is index 2, then it will become this one. We will get the 95. So let us see the output of this. So what I will do to make a difference, so I will put just a distinguisher for loop. This is a for loop. So now we have composed the program. Let's compile it and then compile it and then run it. How to run? So this is the Java virtual machine, Java command. So it has printed marks 75, marks 80, marks 95. Okay. This is how. So we iterate we iterate an array element. So we have seen here one more extra concept, which is arrays. So it is an integer array. We can have any type of array: char array, byte array, float array, short array, boolean array, anything. So this is the one type of array declaration. This is the other type. So if you remove these comments, right? So this will also become one more type, but you have to give semicolon for each end of line. What is the end of line identifier in Java? It is semicolon. Every line will have a end with this. So this is the for loop. So and we have while loop also. Same thing. What we will do? We'll do a while loop. So exactly same. I'll just copy paste. I will put a distinguisher again. While loop. So this is while. I just make this as while in. So inside while we cannot declare. So what I will do is I will declare I is outside. So I less than max. So inside this I have to increase I plus plus. So this is what is I plus plus means I is equals to I plus 1. So the meaning of this is I equals to I plus 1. Okay, this is the meaning of this. So it's in a short form. So this compiler will ignore this. This is a comments in Java. So this is while loop. Now let us see. Let's compile this again and then see whether it prints the while loop or not. It got compiled. So now see while loop again it printed the same 75, 80, 95. So based on our requirement, we can use whichever the loop we wanted. So both will do the same job. But only thing is for loop inside that only you can declare everything. But for while loop, we cannot declare an instance inside a while loop. We have to declare outside and then increase inside. So this is the difference. So these are the basic control statements in Java. So I hope you understood this concept. If please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Please share to others. So I will be teaching every concept with a program. Thank you.